Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Honda CR-V? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard combines digital displays with traditional controls for a driver-focused experience. It provides clear information on speed, navigation, and vehicle systems. The cluster display provides the driver with essential information such as speed, fuel level, engine status, and warnings. The LCD shows vehicle information, settings, and alerts in a clear, easy-to-read format. The gear system allows the driver to control the vehicle's speed and power by selecting the appropriate drive, reverse, or neutral position. The climate control system regulates the vehicle's interior temperature and airflow for passenger comfort. The steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicator dot. Brake system indicator, automatic brake hold. Malfunction indicator, charging system indicator. Shift position indicator, low fuel indicator. Transmission system indicator, supplemental restraint system. Seat belt reminder, vehicle stability assist. Anti-lock brake system, low tire pressure, electric power steering, lights on indicator, vehicle stability assist off, auto high beam indicator, turn signal and hazard warning, ECON mode, indicator, high beam indicator, low temperature indicator, system message indicator, adaptive cruise control. Normal mode indicator, auto idle stop off. Hill descent control system, security system alarm indicator. Cruise mode indicator, safety support indicator. Auto idle stop indicator, immobilizer system indicator. Adaptive cruise control. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.